Hello, I'm Cheap Dave. Please like and subscribe and press the bell button. This will help the channel grow and also notify you of any future videos. If you could do this, I'd just like to thank you in advance. It only takes a few seconds and it's free. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Good morning. Well, it's day 2 of my travels to Tenerife. Son's gone off to work. I'm just going to go, it's nearly midday, but I'm going to go out soon and go and find some breakfast. It looks very quiet over here. At some stage I'm going to find out about getting PCR COVID tests for the flight home in 6 days time. I'll let you all know about the prices and all the ins and outs and where you get it from in Las Americas. So this is just a view from my son's place. Doesn't look like he's got a bad little life. That's Tigaton Hotel over the road. I think there's a police station and some skate park just up that way. Probably the best one is if you go down to the T-junction just at the end of the road, you got the Columbus Hotel. I've seen this odd looking bird. Maybe you'll be able to tell me what it is. Just landed down here and was feeding chicks underneath the gate, so I'm just going to sit here and wait and see if I can get pictures of him. There he goes. So what was that bird? And chicks are hungry. He's coming back every 2 minutes or so. So here he is. There's the bird. He's watching me now. So tell me what he is. Nice looking bird though. Best looking bird I've seen around here for a while. I think it's just looking for grubs and worms, maybe insects, and then as soon as it comes back the chicks go mad, and but it's doing that all day by the look of it. See, this is what I'm going to be videoing for the next few days. Anything random, anything I find a little bit interesting. Maybe you won't, but you don't have to watch it, do you? Oh, the dog spotted the chicks. Well, we've just got to the bottom of the strip. So I've just spotted a doctor's over here, so I'm just going to ask about PCR testing and seeing what the prices are. Okay, so I just came to this doctor's at the bottom of the strip, and they're doing both types of tests, PCR and the antigen one. I asked the lady and she said it's going to cost me €40 for the antigen test, which is the only requirement to fly home. I think that I've got to have 2 PCR tests after I get home, but I'm not sure if that's whether I'm isolating or not, but we'll see. So yeah, they not long had a positive test in there, so they closed for half hour to do a clean up, but they're open every day, I think, so it's pretty good. So I don't have to go too far to get my test done anyway. Okay, so I'm just walking down towards at the bottom of the main drag, just to show you how busy it is. It's about 12:30 at the moment. It does look fairly quiet. Okay, so I'm at the bottom of the strip. There's the road that comes round in Las Americas. A few shops over there. It's about just around 12:30, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and you've got the supermarkets. I'm just coming down to where the Travellers Rest is. My son's told me that they've been closed for a while with this COVID, but I'll just have a look, see what's going on. Yep, so there's no chairs outside the Travellers Rest, so nothing happening there. I've never seen it like that before. Always been open every time I come over here, even last time in December. In December I came over and there was no problem. They had rules like 4 to a table and stuff like that, but no, they were always open. So you got the bar next to them, which is Leonardo's, that is, and that's another one like the Travellers, just more like a sports pub, and they're all closed up as well. So obviously not the people over here at the moment, but let's just hope it all changes soon. Absolutely beautiful day. See the mountains up in the distance, and I'm going to make my way down to the Veronica Strip. We're just arriving at the Veronica Strip. It's must be getting on towards 1 o'clock now. I'm making my way down towards the beach. I'm going to have a nice little breakfast overlooking the beach. Obviously this time of day you don't really expect the Veronica Strip to be busy, so I'll come here one night and just see what it's doing, but obviously nothing really happening here at the moment. Just got down to the very start of the Veronica's bars, a nice little strip of clubs and bars where mostly the kids go and dodgering old gits like me. Right, so we're going down Veronica's Bar and Beach, so I'll have a little look down here, and when I get round the corner I should be down on the seafront. Okay, so I've just come past Veronica's area, just coming down to the seafront now. Looking really good. A few more bits and bobs open here. I hope the restaurant's open that I'd like to go to, because I like the breakfast there. But there's a pizza and steakhouse open there. All nice. People out paragliding out on the coast, a lucky man. But yeah, all very beautiful. So I've walked down here from my son's house. You're probably looking at about a little 10-minute walk, which is just about enough for an old man like me, so don't want to go straining myself. Still got a week to go. I just tried to get breakfast at that restaurant, and basically they stopped serving at 1 o'clock, and it's nearly 20 past now, so I missed out on that. They were just doing burgers and sandwiches. I'll take a little walk, I'll find somewhere. There's a few out there sitting in the sunshine. Just look around. Yeah, just taking a walk down the seafront. A few people on the beach, people out there paragliding. Nice restaurants all open. Yeah, all looking good here. Oh, and I found a place for breakfast. €3.50. That'll do me. It's looking a lovely place. So. But the waiter's coming over, bringing the menus. And then I'll see what I want. Hello, you alright? Can I just order a small breakfast and coffee, please? Can leche? Small, yeah, coffee.
Which one coffee?
Coffee con leche. Gracias. Okay, so I've just come up off the beach. I think it's around 2:30, getting on to nearly 3 o'clock time. This is the walk back from the beach up to my lad's apartment where he lives. When I get to the next road, I'm about halfway back. I'm gonna stop and get a nice cold Coke and find some shade to sit in and relax for 10 minutes. It's hard life. We're in Johnny's place. There he is. What you gonna say, John?
I'm a bit camera shy, sorry.
So, in Las Americas on the seafront, a few people walking about down here. Looks a nice restaurant. Got a couple of beers.
Oh, he's trying to get the camera, right?
There's John, look.
I'm taking the piss out of you. Cheers.
Cheers. All the best.
It's a video, did you? Right, mate. Good.
¿Para comer algo?
We're
Food. In the middle.
Ah, later.
un momento. Gracias.
Thank you.
See, the Spanish is coming along, all right, isn't it? Uno, memento, por favor.
We've got a video
Big
there,
day.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Welcome to my vlog.
This is the current view that we've got here. Oh, there's the guy from Covs. I can't lie, I might get myself one of these. No, that's all right.
There you go, one with a bit of a lightweight. Can only eat half of it. At least Johnette is. And that's the sun gone down. Another really nice day in Tenerife. So I just wanted a nighttime shot. Is there anything then, John? Good night.
Sorry, I'm busy singing. Can't get to your vlog at the minute. Da, 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 da. Right, so we've got a bet on for how much the bill's going to be. My bet is 25. Your bet is
24.
24. So he's just getting close to my bet. It was 25. 60, 24.60.
So you win by 10 cents?
Yeah.
Right, so walking back up to the apartment now. It's just gone 10 o'clock. There's a few places open, but all seems very quiet. But a nice meal, good end to the evening. Go and have a chill back at the apartment now, watch a bit of TV. It's been a good night.